make a humming sound. So what can you do? You close your eyes and inhale and make humming sound. So you need to do 5 times. So close your eyes and inhale, long inhale, and then you need to make humming sound. So when you make humming sound, your mind is peace and is control your anxiety. So your mind will be peaceful and you feel energetic. So how we do? Close your eyes, inhale. 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 Last time, inhale. Long, long, long inhale. Close your eyes and make a sound, humming sound. Inhale. So when you feel no peace your mind, so many things going in your mind, so you make this humming sound. So you will feel relaxed, no anxiety, and your blood pressure go down. Okay, bye. Thanks.